Hi, this is Adam from Attach 2, and if you're looking for one attachment that can dig, grade, and grab, the all-in-one bucket is exactly that. It's helping you guys do more on your job site with less equipment. This attachment, the all-in-one bucket, is about efficiency and cost savings. You can handle multiple tasks, digging, shaping, and material handling without having to swap out your attachment. That means you can replace multiple tools with just this one bucket, saving you on transportation costs and downtime. And thanks to its heavy-duty HB 400 construction, you'll have a longer life with fewer repairs, equaling greater ROI. So what makes it work so well? It delivers strong grabbing power for holding and placing awkward material. The hose routing is designed for protection and durability, reducing the risk of damage on rough sites. And it's shaped for efficient digging and breakout force, so you can still work the ground effectively, even with the added grabbing function. Operators love it because it's simple and capable and ready for anything, and it avoids any extra time from switching from attachment to attachment. The owners love it because it streamlines their fleet, it cuts down on transportation and attachment costs, and it keeps their machines productive. It's a versatile, no-nonsense bucket that keeps your crew moving. So what's all involved with this bucket? Integrated grab technology with high-strength cylinders, HB 400 steel throughout the body and the edges, protected hose layout for safer operation in harsh environments, built to handle digging, grabbing, and finish work without compromise. So what you're getting in addition to this great attachment is a 3-year warranty, access to a great sales and support staff, and these buckets are in stock, ready to ship. So if you want one bucket that does it all, the all-in-one bucket is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Give us a call today for quotes and recommendations. Thank you.